Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to FPV XP. Usually we fly like this, sometimes we fly like this. It can be rough, some people like an open field, but some of us like to be restricted to confined spaces, and we put these drones to the test. You want to know how tough the Hyperlow CG is? Have a look at all of those. And you know what? Crash, 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 boom, plow. I rocked it hard and solid. I can tell you now, the Hyperlow CG came out unscathed with sand in its motors, loss of an antenna, a screw out the side of my camera, yet still, it withstood everything without a single piece of damage. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have to ask me how tough the Hyperlow CG is, it's really tough. Enjoy the flight. Have a good day, folks.